Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Corner. My name is Okpe. In this lesson, we will continue our discussion on subject-verb agreement. I believe that you should remember that singular subjects goes with singular action verb and a plural subject goes with a plural action verb. Today, our discussion will be based on the uses of has, have, and had with the appropriate subjects. Has is a singular verb, while have is plural. Had is the past tense of has and have. These three words, has, have, and had, can be used to show possession. They are also used to express perfect tenses. On possession, they are used as follows. I have a blue pen. My father has a car. They have new toys. A lion has a tail. He has an umbrella. Everyone has a name. I had a blue pen yesterday. My father had a car last year. To express perfect tenses, they are used with action words in their past participle forms. For example, Joy has seen the lost key. Everybody has seen the results. I have drunk some water. He has seen the apple. The children have burst the balloon. Please take note that the pronoun I will take have and plural action words. For example, I write, not I write. I speak French, not I speaks French. I have been to Lagos, not I has been to Lagos. Also note that indefinite pronouns such as somebody, everybody, and nobody will take has and singular action words. For example, no one knows tomorrow. Everyone has arrived. I believe that you have been able to learn one or two things from this lesson. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for free. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.